AI spend can get completely out of control, and it's so easy to hit AI limits when expensive models are used to handle every single task. You can take control of AI spend by simply switching to nexos.ai Gateway. And here are 4 ways that nexos.ai Gateway makes that happen. First of all, control over your budget. It's manually configured but automatically enforced. You set a hard limit per team, per user, per project, and when the limit is reached, nexos.ai makes sure that not a dollar more gets spent. Then there is the smart routing feature. Not every prompt needs the latest state-of-the-art model. The gateway reads your request and sends it to the best fitting model, based on cost, quality, and speed. Another thing to keep in mind is automatic fallbacks. What happens if the model you're currently using goes down? The gateway switches automatically and your app keeps running like nothing happened. Finally, the caching. It's a mechanism that reuses past AI responses, context, and reasoning paths, and if your prompt has already been answered, the gateway will use the answer stored in the cache. This means that there is no need to wait for the AI interference, which in turn speeds up the response and saves money. In situations where there is no cached response, the gateway will route your request to the LLM provider, which will then check their cache storage for matching prompts and responses. And if there is none that match your request, the prompt will be routed to the LLM and then stored inside the nexos.ai Gateway cache for future requests. And if there is a match, the LLM provider will provide a cached response which will also be stored inside the nexos.ai Gateway cache. Put all of that together and you're looking at up to 50% less on your AI bill while keeping the same quality of results. Nexos.ai Gateway is one lightweight layer between your apps and AI models. Get it today.